The incident occurred in 2018 in the loading area of a factory in Turkey. In the footage, a worker was standing at the edge of the loading dock, talking on the phone after finishing loading. This is a blind spot for the truck. After the truck moved a few meters away from the dock, it had to reverse to let another vehicle pass. The worker was crushed between the loading dock and the truck, resulting in severe bodily deformation, and he was confirmed dead. This accident teaches us that we should not linger in dangerous areas, as the consequences can be severe.